You just cut like this. Looks like a mini T-bone. These seeds are bitter. Right here. It's so underrated, I think. Friends, thank you for tuning in again. Here I have some marinated lamb. This is some lamb loin chops that I marinated this morning. First we dry brine them last night overnight, and then this morning I did put a marinade on them. So this is how it went down last night and this morning.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys.
Are resting at room temp for a while. We're gonna grill these on the Weber Kettle using the SNS insert. We're gonna do reverse sear on these. First we're gonna cook them on indirect until they reach 120, 125. Then we're gonna sear them on direct heat. So that's a reverse sear for these lamb chops. The smell on these lamb loin chops is fantastic from the marinade. Smells absolutely incredible. Olive oil, garlic, rosemary. We're gonna go and take care of the grill, get the fire started, and start cooking. I'm using mesquite for this cook. This will take around 20 minutes. We're gonna let this fire do its thing. This fire is ready to be dumped in the SNS insert. That's what we're using for the cook today. Oh, mesquite tends to burn hot. That's what we need for this cook. First we're gonna reverse sear it on this side and then sear it on that side. But now we're gonna let this grill come up to temp and this fire settles, and then we can start cooking. As the grill is up to temp, gonna spray this grate. We're gonna place our lamp on the indirect zone, away from the fire. Alright, we're gonna let this cook for maybe 20 minutes. Come back and check on these lamb loin chops. Moment of truth. We're gonna see how this lamb loin chops came out. Ooh. So I rested these for a little bit. Now we're gonna cut into them. Let's pick this one right here. Cut through the bone here. Ooh, this smells good, man. Very tender. A lot of flavors. Juicy, tender. That marinade did its job very well, man. And that mesquite works very well with lamb. And these came out perfect, man. I love this cook. I would say this one is a good medium. It has a little pink to it, but a nice bite, a good char. Wow. Man, I love lamb. Lamb is so underrated, I think. Look at that. Nice and juicy. A nice crust. Beautiful. Very tender. This cook was fun. Something different. And sometimes you're tired of beef. You want to change it a little bit. So, beautiful. Look at that. Oh wow. This is it for this cook. Again, if you like this content, please subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. It helps a great deal. Thank you for your support. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.